KASPA continues to grow, and this is just the beginning. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around KASPA, this is the place for you. Let's talk about price KASPA. As of March 17th, 2026, the global cryptocurrency market cap is $939.88 million, with a plus 6.26% change in the last 24 hours. KAS's current price is $0.0350, with a 24-hour trading volume of $33.19 million. KAS is plus 6.29% in the last 24 hours, with a circulating supply of 26.78 billion KAS coins and a maximum supply of 28.70 billion KAS coins. KASOA ranks 57 by market cap. It has a 24-hour high of $0.0360, and its 24-hour low so far is $0.0328520 recorded on March 17, 2026. Over the next 5 sessions, KAS is likely to consolidate within a volatility range of $0.0315 to $0.0370 relative to current levels. The probability of a further breakout is less than 20%, so the most likely scenario is continued sideways trading within this range. A close above $0.0370 could signal a move toward higher resistance, while a drop below $0.0313 to $0.0315 could intensify selling pressure. Let's analyze the price of KASPA. The main reason for KASPA's rise is active buying at spot prices, as evidenced by a 93% increase in trading volume to $36.5 million, indicating renewed investor interest. KASPA's 24-hour trading volume jumped 93.39% to $36.5 million, far outpacing its price gain. This high volume-to-market cap ratio signals strong spot buyer conviction, not just leverage-driven speculation. This means that this growth is supported by a genuine inflow of capital, making it more sustainable than a short-lived price spike accompanied by low trading volumes. It is worth noting that trading volume has remained consistently above $30 million, confirming continued interest. Secondary factors include its outperformance relative to Bitcoin, which rose by only 1.38%, indicating that capital is flowing into KASPA amid asset rotation in the market. While Bitcoin rose 1.38%, KASPA surged over 7.5 times that amount. This alpha performance occurred as the other's dominance metric held near 30%, suggesting capital is rotating into select altcoins. KASPA is being treated as a high beta play, attracting funds when overall crypto sentiment improves from last week's fear levels to a neutral 44 on the Fear and Greed Index. Watch for Bitcoin dominance trend. A drop below 58% could further fuel altcoin rallies. Short-term forecast. If KASPA holds above the 0.034 support level, a retest of the recent high near 0.037 is likely. A break below this level threatens a pullback to 0.032, especially if Bitcoin weakens. The immediate path hinges on holding the $0.034 support zone. A concrete trigger is Bitcoin's price action. If BTC holds above $74,000, it could provide a stable backdrop for KASPA to challenge the $0.037 resistance. The risk case is a broader market pullback. What about KASPA catalysts? KASPA is showing significant growth in on-chain activity. Daily transaction volume has increased by 30% thanks to the implementation of the blockdag protocol. The project currently has $50 million locked in, and approximately 80% of the 28.7 billion tokens are in circulation. Annual inflation has been reduced to 5%, following the latest halving. The ecosystem is also awaiting a network hard fork in May, which will enable the deployment of programmable smart contracts, KRC20, and open access to KASPA-based DeFi applications. The core development team is progressively rewriting KASPA's node software from Go to Rust. This is a multi-phase engineering effort aimed at achieving significant performance gains, including higher throughput, blocks per second, and lower latency. The new Rust client is being released in stages, with the goal of eventually becoming the network's default and most efficient node implementation. A major architectural shift on the roadmap is moving from a block-based directed acyclic graph, blockdag, to a transaction-based DAG, TextDAG. This change aims to decouple transaction propagation from block creation, which could drastically increase the network's potential transactions per second, TPS, and efficiency by reducing redundancy. What this means? This is bullish for KAS because a successful TXDAG implementation would be a fundamental breakthrough in its scalability narrative, directly addressing throughput limitations common in other blockchains. The key risk is the complexity of the change. requiring extensive testing to ensure network security and stability. What do you think? Will KASPA continue to grow? Disclaimer. This video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest news about KASPA and other cryptocurrencies. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.